Hi everyone! Welcome to Joy's Kitchen. For today's merienda, magluluto naman tayo ng goto. So, ayan po ang ating merienda for today. So, tara, umpisahan natin. Magpainit ng kawali. 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. First, garlic, onion, ginger, beef, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Add 2 cups of rice. Add 8 cups of water. Cover it until it's tender. Let's check the meat if it is tender. Okay. It's tender enough. Perfect. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Isahog na rin natin ng ating boiled egg. Luto na po ang ating goto. Tara, tikman natin. Sarap. Perfect.